A simple 50-to-1 piston arrangement makes the K53 a robust, reliable and fully serviceable handheld air-powered grease gun. Machined barrel thread makes it easier to screw to the head. Heavy-duty 1.6mm thick barrel. Lock the plunge rod into the follower for easier bleeding. Barrels to suit 400 and 450 gram cartridges. Robust handle. Low air consumption, suitable for use with truck brake actuator supply. Reversible follower for cartridge or bulk applications. Single shot 50-to-1 piston assembly produces up to 6,000 psi of grease pressure. 3-jaw high pressure coupler for positive connection. Fully serviceable. A full range of Macnaught greasing accessories is available to complement the gun.